German data released this week will be watched closely by analysts as a new law dictating minimum wages was passed last Thursday. I'm joined on the line with Dirk Schlotböller to discuss his forecast for Germany. Dirk, welcome. On Thursday of last week, Germany's lower house of parliament approved a national minimum wage. As of January 1st, 2015, the wage will be set at €8.50, which is higher than the equivalent in the US and the UK. The news is controversial as business leaders are concerned that the change would result in fewer jobs or force companies to move production facilities to other countries where labour is cheaper. Do you see the new ruling, which is yet to be passed by Germany's upper house of parliament, as a positive or negative for the German economy?
The minimum wage will bring difficulties for companies as well for unskilled workers, which are not possible for them to earn €8.50, and a lot of young people, unskilled young people, will now take an unskilled job, which is better paid than vocational training. A lot of countries are looking to Germany and are wondering why we do that, even if a lot of countries try to invent the vocational training in their country, and now we will bring these difficulties to our vocational training system. We ask our companies for the reasons of their foreign investments, and market developing has been the dominating motive for a lot of years. This is now starting to change. A lot of companies now are going to save costs with their foreign investments, but the minimum wage is not the only reason for that. It's also the increasing energy prices and the lack of skilled workers.
How did the trade balance data released earlier today reflect that of the previous month? And do you think it will have a positive or negative effect on the Eurozone?
The upward trend in the domestic demand is continuing, and that brings increasing imports from Germany. But the strong euro leads to that the import, in the nominal imports doesn't increase. But in real terms, we see increasing imports. The exports are suffering from the crisis in the Ukraine and in Russia, especially in mechanical engineering. But the economy in the United States and in the euro area is growing slowly but surely, and so the upward swing for the exporters is dominating still.
This Friday we see the German final CPI data. If the proposed change in minimum wage goes through, how do you see German CPI fluctuating over the course of the next couple of months?
We think that the inflation in Germany is at its minimum. The main reason for that is the strong euro in the current month. And the minimum wage, the effect of the minimum wage on the inflation rate is not a question of years, but it's a question of years, not of months.
Well, that's all we've time for. Thank you, Dirk, for all your comments. Continue to click back on the DIHK site for more info on your trading week. Goodbye.